H.E.A.D Huskies from Surprise and Suffolk.
Here's our team information
We're
sheet,
switching
and
with
this is
the
something
team
new that we
that was supposed to
this year.
because some of them had to do some. This is our research.
Crosby,
Brent,
Hannah,
Tanner,
Rose,
Colin. T.
Alright.
are you ready for us to be done?
Oh, yes,
Hi, and welcome to Smart Move Mania, the show where contestants convince us to make the smartest move possible.
Today we are here with the 4-H L.E.A.D Huskies to hear about a smart move in their community of Suffolk, Virginia, the largest city in Virginia.
That's right, Brent, but Surprise and Suffolk isn't only growing peanuts. In the last few years, its population growth has outpaced the growth rate of the Hampton Roads region as well as the rest of Virginia.
And it's projecting an additional 45% increase in population by the year 2020, as well as a 100% increase in employment. Sounds like Suffolk's the place to be.
Yep, but that also explains why the 4-H L.E.A.D Huskies have identified their smart move problem as traffic congestion on US Route 58, the major corridor through Suffolk to the more metropolitan areas of Chesapeake, Norfolk, and Virginia Beach.
Don't forget, it is also a vital evacuation route because it provides direct access to the west and interstates leading north and south.
Alright, Huskies, let's see some smart moves. Roll!
Take it away, Data Girl.
Mr. Robert Lewis, traffic engineer for the city of Suffolk, shared tons of research. And we learned that US Route 58 currently carries about 32,000 vehicles per day. 27,500 of those vehicles, 86%, are cars. By 2017, there will be 56,000 vehicles per day using Route 58. No improvement for traffic flow, 461 gallons of fuel will be wasted per day. Suffolk's current development plan for US Route 58 proposes to widen the corridor from 4 to 6 lanes to allow for 15 to 20 years of merely acceptable traffic flow. Let's face it, in our community, car is king. Even the 2026 City of Suffolk Comprehensive Planning Report says Suffolk's current development plan is highly automobile dependent. Okay, Boy Jesus, take it away.
So we studied a GIS map of Suffolk. Then a light bulb came on. Trains. Suffolk is loaded with train tracks. We talked to Mr. Kevin Page, Chief of Rail Transportation for the DRPT. He told us we could use existing rail cargo tracks for passenger rail and still travel at speeds 100 miles per hour. Then the Hammer was born.
That's the Husky Intermodal Motor Rail. The Hammer is like a river ferry, but on rails. Unlike the auto train that travels long distance, this is for short distance commuters. It will run from our Canyon Road station to Norfolk Harbor Park Station. This offers our commuters who need their vehicles to work out an alternative to sitting in traffic congestion. The Hammer can accommodate cars, vans, motorcycles, and small recreational vehicles. If you do not need to take your vehicle, there are passenger cars for walk-on passengers. The innovative design of roll-on, roll-off, loading and unloading is faster, more efficient, and keeps you and the train on schedule. You will pull into our Canyon Road station and drive onto the bi-level loading platforms, where hydraulic ramps will lower down, and you will drive onto our designated car. Once you pull into Norfolk Harbor Park Station, hydraulic ramps will lower down, and you will drive off onto our bi-level unloading platform and be directed towards your destination.
Why Canyon Road Station?
Right next to Canyon Road Station is Lakeland High School, an emergency shelter. It will also draw in commuters from all these areas who need to work in Norfolk Shipyard. Give me the supporting stats, Statman.
Okay. Train travel is 21% more efficient than auto travel. Also, diverting autos to rail can reduce the idle time by 23 seconds, saving 148,000 gallons of fuel per year, and decreasing the CO2 being emitted by 2.8 million pounds. On top of that, one highway mile uses almost 2/3 more land than one railway track mile. Martin girl, take it from here.
Arrive at your destination more relaxed and refreshed. Just look at what you can do instead of sitting in traffic. For all of our customers, we have Wi-Fi, cafe car, take a nap, read a book, increase productivity. Save time equals more family time. At each hub, we have an electric flyable car share program and a bike share program. The Hammer is hip.
Amazing! You really rose to the challenge of finding a cleaner,
Greener,
Safer.
Healthier, more connected, and equitable.
way to solve your Route 58 congestion problem.
It's innovative, too. I see here that they talked with lots of experts about their solution. Now, something from our sponsors.
Drink your coffee on the train, on the train, on the train. Drink your coffee on the train instead of 58. Do your work on the train, on the train, on the train. Do your work on the train 'cause you can on 58. Take your car on the train, on the train, on the train. Take your car on the train, get it off of 58.
The floor is now open for questions.